Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas, back at one of my favorite places in the state. We are at Stutzman's. We are at their Cambridge location here in Wichita, East 21st. We are with Ben Miller. We love having Ben on the show. Thanks so much for having us today.
It's our pleasure. We really enjoy having you out. We're the happy place for a lot of people.
Yes, you really are.
You know, today, I'll just say this as we're shooting, we're about 100 degrees.
Yeah.
And underneath these structures, it really is pretty nice.
It is.
It really is.
Yeah. Well, we're talking all about houseplants today. Ben, you guys have a lot of different varieties, sizes, so many different ones.
You know, not very often what you're holding here that you'll see the cacti actually being in bloom.
Oh, wow, yeah.
We just happen to have one here today, so we'll enjoy what we got here, but there's another bud coming on here.
Oh my gosh.
But nice collection of cacti dishes that are really, really cool. And of course, like we come into this time of the year, a lot of people like to freshen up a little bit, even their houseplants.
Yeah.
And so just a nice collection of houseplants that you can have indoors, or a lot of people actually go out on a covered patio.
Okay.
You know, in different sizes, little table decorators, different of the philodendron. This one here, one might know more, and this is the crown of thorns.
Crown of thorns.
More at Christmas time.
Is that like a family member of the cactus?
Almost, yes,
almost?
yes, it is.
Okay.
And I might just mention too, this along with the desert rose, which one of my favorites.
Yes, you love the
desert
rose. They are
amazing. You know, you think of cactus not needing water very often. When they have a leaf like this, be aware that they will take more water than what normally something else like that would. Yeah. And it'll show up. Your leaves will start dropping off if they don't get enough water.
Right?
It'll tell you.
Yeah.
It really does. But anyway, just a nice collection of, and even some of the hanging baskets are in more of that foliage situation. But this time of the year, we really like to bring this in, kind of as an addition to what you might have for your patio.
Yeah, and I also want to mention that some people kind of like those smaller plants for their house. Some people like kind of the big, extravagant.
Yes.
You guys have everywhere in between as well.
Everything between, little table decorators. These little guys here, now this one here is in the philodendron family, like a lot of people are familiar with, but the color on this is very unique in that it's more distinct than some of the original color like that.
Yeah. Well, Ben, tell us where you guys are located all across the state, and then how people can get more information.
You know, always you can go to Stutzmans.com or go to our Jason French, who you'll see on this show occasionally, does a Stutzmans Home and Garden Show at questions@Stutzmans.com. But 4 locations here in Wichita, right here where we're at 21st and Webb. Yeah. Of course, Derby, North Rock by Sam's Club, and 13th and Tyler on the west side of Wichita. McPherson, Newton, Salina, Great Bend, Dodge City, and Pratt in north of Hutchinson. Then our main store just located west of Hutchinson, a little community called Pleasantville.
Yeah, that one's a special one.
It is.
Ben, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. We have more on Good Day Kansas right after this.
This segment of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's Greenhouse. From their garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's.
We would like to say thank you to everyone who has shared and enjoyed the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's still Stutzman season. It's time to add or freshen up with our beautiful heat-loving summer plants that are now in stock at all our garden centers. These plants will pair perfectly with the planted flowers or enjoy them as stunning patio planters or hanging baskets. Just arrived, gorgeous tropical houseplants plus cactus plants for your patio or home. Visit one of our garden centers or find us on Facebook or Stutzmans.com.
A Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green with us.